Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Just me, chilling with my Glossybox PR, as you do. Can you believe, second year in a row, Glossybox have sent me their advent calendar, and I didn't think I was getting it because everyone else got theirs like weeks and weeks ago. Like Alex got hers ages ago and did a video on it, and mine came, I think it was like last week or the week before. And yeah, I'm going to show you what's in it. I know it's like a little bit late, we're already into December, but they keep doing this on like a banging sale, like for a really, really affordable price compared to like what it was up for normally. It's a lot more affordable now. So yeah, I will leave it linked down below if you want to go and check it out. I do have a discount code for like normal Glossybox. Again, I will leave it linked down below. Let's just get straight into it because this is really heavy. So this is obviously the Glossybox Advent calendar for this year. I'm not going to say prices because it keeps changing, so I will just leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out, because when you're watching this it could be a lot cheaper than what it already is. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So when you open it up, this is so heavy and luxurious, but this is what the actual advent calendar looks like. I cannot wait till I get a house and I have more room to film. But yeah, I'm going to pop this to one side and let's just get straight in it. Let's get cracking. If obviously you are new here, hi, welcome, love you. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really, really helps out my channel, and we actually are getting really, really close now to 20,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, if you want to join my little family, then I would love to have you on board, and let's just get straight into it. So let's start with number one. I love as well in these little like containers that have the product in, there's just like little tissue in there as well. I really like that. So we have day number one, an iconic product. This is the Iconic London Precision Duo / contour pot. So this is the medium shadow. I do always say like including stuff like this in advent calendars is a bit risky because obviously this colour is not going to suit everybody, so it kind of like eliminates people that are going to be buying it, whether they can use it or not. This is what it looks like. I remember when these came out and I was really tempted to buy them, but then I saw how small they were for the price and I was like, I know Iconic London's bougie, but I'm not spending that kind of money on that tiny little pot. But now I have it in an advent calendar, so I can actually see whether it's worth the money before you buy it, if you haven't already. So this is what the top one looks like. So top one is obviously a powder, and then the bottom one is a cream, which just looks like this. I don't know how this is going to work for me, maybe a little bit too dark, but this normally retails for £25 for that bad boy, and obviously that is a full-size product, which we love to see in an advent calendar. So for day number two, this looks like this. We have the Spectrum little brush. This is the mini BO5 face brush. It just comes like this, and this normally retails for £6.99, and it is like a travel sized brush. And then that is just what it looks like up close. So obviously it's like a good size to pop it into your handbags. That is day number two. For day number three, I'm really excited to try this because I recently bought quite a few bits of stuff from COLLABS to try. So I've got another addition to my collection. So this is the COLLABS Pop and Lock Glossing Serum, and it's literally like a sparkly hair serum. You can see it there. It looks like it should be like a sparkly, like a shimmer bomb, or like a Made by Mitchell gloss or something, like the new glosses that he's brought out. So it says it's apparently meant to like control frizz. It's like a glossy serum apparently that smooths frizz, seals split ends, moisturizes, prevents color fade. Apparently it has like UV and heat protection in it, and it combines the conditioning benefits of an oil but also with the shine power of the serum. And obviously the sparkly kind of like high gloss finish is meant to like lock down the cuticle and seal split ends. It sounds fabulous. It sounds so good. It says that it's worth £9.90 and the full-size version of it is worth £19.50. So this is technically like a deluxe mini, but it's still like a really good size. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. I cannot wait to actually try that and see what it's like. And then for day number four, we have up at the top, I've noticed as well, some of them have like a little message at the back, which is really cute. So this one says, spread a little sparkle. Little sparkle, sparkle. So for day number 4, we have an illuminating body oil. This is just what it looks like. This again is a deluxe mini. It's 50 mils, which is worth £10. It says it's a really rich body oil. It's blended with like precious herbs, 24 karat gold, Caswell booty, and cold pressed organic sesame oil, sunflower oil, and virgin almond oil that helps to nourish, soften and hydrate the skin. It can be used pre or post bath on damp skin. So yeah, very, very bougie, very bougie. I hope I have baby soft skin after that. The next one, oh my god, I'm so excited for. So the next one, day number 5, is like a deluxe mini, but it's definitely like a really good size, of the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Mini Mist. But this one doesn't have like Amelia Olivia's name on it, but it is like the same as hers. So this is worth £12, and it's meant to be like an ultra fine dual phase mist. It's meant to give your skin like an instant boost of hydration, helps lock in, refresh your makeup look. Lightweight formula, leaves a complexion with a glowing lasting freshness throughout the day. And I do have the actual full size version of this already that I've done like a TikTok try in it. So I'll leave my TikTok linked down below if you want to go watch the video of me testing her spray and also the liquid blusher that she brought out as well. But this one doesn't have her name on it, so I don't know whether this was like already in the making and she added a name to it or what. I don't know. That is the mini that is in the Glossybox Advent Calendar anyways. So that was day number 5, and then moving on to day 6, which is quite like a large one. Oh, so this one is a, is it Lenenge? I don't know how you say it. But this is what it looks like. This is the Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Cream. Again, another deluxe mini, but it's worth £13. It says it's perfect for day and night. It's like a lush cream moisturiser, relieves dry, damaged skin, locks in moisture for up to 100 hours. Definitely need that. And it actually says next to it, yes, 100. You read that right. A swipe of this good stuff allows intense moisture to penetrate deep into the skin. It also strengthens the skin barrier and reduces redness, making it a treat for sensitive skin types. And I love that it comes with like a little scoop, so you're not getting it stuck underneath your nails and having to like stick your nail in. My skin's been so dry this winter, like so dry and flaky. Day number 7, I'm so excited for this. This is the Refy brow pencil in the shade medium. This is full size. It's worth £14. I have just done my first ever order from Refy. Don't know why I keep saying fry. And I've ordered one of the like lip liner sealer things. So I've actually got that ready for my Black Friday haul. And yeah, I'm really excited. I need to try more from the brand. I want to try that primer where it's like a little rollerball, but again, it's very spinny. I can't get this out. I'll show you this another time. It's a brow pencil. You know what I mean. So that is day number 7. And then day number 8, we have a massive Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Fix Tonic for 100ml. Just looks like this. This is what it looks like, and this retails for £19.95. It's a radiance boosting tonic. It's infused with vitamin C, brightens the complexion and promotes a more even kind of skin tone. It's got lactic acid in it, which helps as an exfoliator, gets rid of dead skin cells, reduces like dullness and clogged pores and all that kind of good stuff. And it's a really good size as well, so that's like a full size version for day number 8. Very happy with that. Day number 9, we have some false lashes. These retail for £7. These are the Land of Lashes false lashes. And then this is just what they look like. They're super lightweight and they have like a flexible, invisible lash band. But to be fair, it says invisible, but it's got a black lash band. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm just reading what it says in the thingy. I don't know. Moving on to day number 10, we have the By Bee Eye Plump Eye Cream. I thought I had a ball in it then. It's a rich overnight eye treatment. Plump, firm and hydrate the eye area. This is just what it looks like. And this normally retails for £18. So that's a really nice one for day number 10. Day number 11. Where are you at? There you are. Oh, I actually really like day 11 because sometimes when you get advent calendars and there's like a shampoo and conditioner in it, you'll have like one day for the shampoo, one day for the conditioner. I feel like it's a bit of a cop-out. But they've actually put both of them in this one, which I'm really happy with. So we have the L'Occitane shampoo and conditioner, which is a very bougie very bougie brand. So this is just what it looks like. Obviously it's a deluxe mini, and these are worth £3 for this size, but the full size version is £20. To number 12, oh, we have another full size. This is worth £65. Oh my god, so this is an eyelash serum. It's the X-Lash Pro eyelash serum. But anyways, yeah, this retails for £65, and it's meant to give you longer, fuller looking lashes in just 28 days. And I'm pretty sure the prices that I've been seeing for this advent calendar recently have been a lot less than £65, so you could literally buy that one eyelash serum or buy this full advent calendar, save money, and get 24 items for free. So yeah, definitely worth it for that one. To number 13, I can't even find you. We have a deluxe mini. This is the This Works in Transit camera close up, and it's meant to be like a mask, moisturiser and primer all in one, and this would retail for £16. The full size version would be £33. That's crazy, absolutely crazy. So yeah, that is that one. And then moving on to day number 14. This is again another deluxe mini. Oh my god, this is a Milk. I absolutely like want to try so much from Milk. I want to try like their grip primer so bad, and the setting spray so bad, but it's again very expensive. This is the Milk Rise mascara. Just looks like this, and this would normally cost £9. It's a blacker than black formula. It's meant to lift and define for gravity defying blinkers that still look thick and full of flutter. Blinkers, that's what it literally says. So yeah, the full size version of this would be £24. Okay, so moving on to day number 15. Since this is day 5 then, no. Day 15, we have a Crez, which is I don't know if that's how you say that, a really bougie brand. This is the Night Brightening Night Brightening Sleeping Facial, which is meant to brighten and plump and has vitamin Super C in it. This is just what it looks like, and this retails for £14.50. It's meant to help with like dullness, uneven tone and texture. So yeah, really excited to try it, because again, it's like skincare brands that are like bougie. It would never be something that I would buy, because I would rather have bougie makeup if I was going to be spending that kind of money. Just here I am. Moving on to day 16, we have a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So this is just what it looks like. This retails for £20. That is actually crazy for a brightening face mask. Okay, it's got 24 carat collodial, I don't know, gold. It's meant to be a luxurious treatment that's ideal for any big event or special occasion. I might actually use that before I go out on Saturday night. Moving on to day number 17, we have a product from P. Louise. I absolutely love P. Louise. This is their lip base. It's obviously a full size one. You can get this in 6 different colours. This is the colour that I've got. This is the shade Bad Intentions. I feel like I might already have this. If so, I'll put it into my giveaway box. That is day number 17. That retails normally for £10. And then day 18, this is a full size night serum. This is a rich feather light serum. Has like tropical superfruit acids, botanic multivitamins, seaweed collagen. It's meant to like refine and retexturize skin so it's more smooth, more radiant. And this retails for £43. This one in the eye serum box is like over £100 already in this advent calendar, which is absolutely crazy. Like absolutely insane. So yeah, that is day number 18, and then moving on to day 19. This is so fucking cute. This is so cute. This is a little mini Cetaphil. I've never tried this before. This is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. So this is like a little mini, like a deluxe mini. This retails for £1.22. There's not much value behind this one, but this would be one that I would actually get quite a lot of use out of, because I would take that with me when I go away. And then moving on to day 20, which you all know is my favourite one when it comes to an advent calendar, because it's my happy birthday. So this is a deluxe mini. This is a moisture hair mask. It's meant to revive dry and damaged hair in as little as 1 minute, which is really big claim. It's meant to like obviously be really hydrating for the hair. It's worth £12, and the full size version would be worth £40. This is a really, really big version. You could definitely get some use out of this one. It just says to apply to wet or dry hair, brush through and leave for as little as a minute or as long as you wish before rinsing. But you should really see like a instant difference with this if it's meant to make a huge difference within a minute. That is day number 20. I really like that my hair's not in the best condition. I'm trying to get it better, so really good one for my birthday. And then moving on to day 21, we have a full-size body scrub from Frank Body. So it's like a full, it's big, it is like full size. So yeah, you meant to basically just use this to obviously scrub your body, scrub a dib dib. And this normally retails for £13.95. So that is the big one for day 21. And then moving on to day 22, we have a brow lift lamination gel from Gosh, which just looks like this. I forget Gosh exists, I don't know why. This is obviously full size, and this normally retails for £12.99. For day number 23, another one that I was really impressed with, you actually get 2 products in here from Glossier, I don't know. Yeah, and they're both full size as well. So one of them is worth £10 and one's worth £17. So you get a coconut like balm, which I know they're quite like famous for, and then you also get one of their cloud paint seamless cheek colours, which I've always wanted to try, but again just never really got around to trying it. So the actual blusher itself is the one that's worth £17, in case you're curious. So yeah, wasn't to have like double things in that door when you only needed to have one. Very happy with that. Day number 24 is another big one. So this one has 2 products inside. Again, smashing it. These are Ritual products. We have a Relax Soothing Body Cream, which is 100ml. I'm sure that would be full size. Actually, these are deluxe minis, but these look like, that especially looks like full size. And then we also have the Harmonising Foaming Shower Gel. So this one is worth £11.50, and then the shower gel is worth £5.50. And then last but not least, we have day 25. We have this bad boy in this one. This is the Soft Touch Facial Cleansing Brush from Magnatone. It says supercharge your skincare routine with this super soft, naturally antibacterial cleansing brush. The microsonic technology and 3 cleansing zones means you can personalise your experience and feel the difference immediately. It's USB rechargeable, and this normally retails for £40. I will say I liked the last store in last year's calendar because it was a full size Huda Beauty palette, which was banging. I would definitely have preferred that over this, but this is still really good. I do feel like this one has been a lot more like skincare-y this time, and I am more on the makeup side. So one, it's something that I personally would have preferred to have more makeup, but 2, it means I've actually got things that I would never personally buy, which I think is sometimes the best like presents, things that like you would like to try or would be interested in trying, but maybe you wouldn't kind of go for that normal price tag. So yeah, I'm quite excited to have a little play around with what's in this advent calendar and seeing what my thoughts are, especially like that colour wow thing. Really excited to try that, and the Refi and brow pencil, excited for that as well. So yeah, I think that is absolutely everything from the advent calendar. Just want to see if there's anything else that I want to mention. Obviously I know that I already like the setting spray from the Beauty Crop. The smell's not really the best, but I do actually like the product itself. I'm interested in trying the eye serum as well, and the little baby Cetaphil. Oh, that's so fucking cute. So cute. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Glossybox for very kindly gifting this to me, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. I will leave link down below some other advent calendar and Christmas themed videos. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.